Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
Combining agents, memory, APIs, and automation is the key to designing a powerful, intelligent system. In this video, we will explore the blueprint for building these advanced capabilities. AI architecture has evolved through 4 distinct levels, moving from basic tools to AI agents, then adding memory, and finally reaching the intelligent system stage that modern companies are building today. An intelligent system goes beyond a standard bot. It acts like a skilled support engineer by understanding context, remembering conversation history, performing multi-step actions, and continuously learning. The master architecture relies on a multi-layered approach, a front-end for user interaction, a back-end to handle logic, a memory store for history, and an AI layer for reasoning. Implementing this stack using .NET Core and SQL allows for robust memory storage. The back-end flow is straightforward. Retrieve history, build the prompt, call the AI, and store the results. When a request comes in, the system traces it through the UI, gathers context from past tickets, identifies recurring issues, and finally generates a contextually accurate response. By leveraging these components, you unlock advanced capabilities like multi-step reasoning, pattern detection, and smarter recommendations, all leading to faster resolution times. To further enhance logic, you can incorporate automated summarization, hybrid agent architectures, auto-action execution, and confidence scoring to validate your AI solutions. For a diagnostic exercise, consider a user reporting a recurring login issue. To solve it, ask yourself what context is needed, how the prompt should be structured, and what response the AI should generate. You can follow this 4-day sprint. Design the system on day 1, set up database tables on day 2, engineer your prompts on day 3, and plan your key features on day 4. Bringing it all together enables a fully powered ticketing SaaS. By integrating agents, memory, and automation, you gain the ability to build sophisticated, context-aware systems. This blueprint summarizes everything we've covered: the evolution of AI architecture, the implementation stack, and the workflows required to build a production-ready, intelligent system.
If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.